Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best night lights for kids that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Lumipets. The top list in our list is Lumipets Kids Night Light, and this cute light gives a comfortable bedtime for babies and toddlers. This night light will shine 9 different soft colors so you can switch your favorite colors. It is not only for their bedtime buddy, the baby can enjoy playtime with this light. Lumipets funny night lights are made of premium silicone, so it never gets heat when charging. To switch the color, you can use the remote option or manually control it by pressing the top of this bunny light. You can use the remote to adjust the brightness that gives the colorful bed atmosphere. You don't need to charge these fun kids lights because the one-time charge will stand up for 12 hours of continuous use, and to charge this light, use a USB card. Set the timer as 15, 30, or 60 minutes to turn off the night light. Even in the traveling time, the night light will be the best buddy for your little one. If the child is ready to play with it, the power button will turn off the light. The Lumipets Kids Night Light is durable and safe so that the child can cuddle them during the entire bedtime. It is easy to hold, and the lulling colors will give the nursery room a cute look and atmosphere. At number 4. Little Hippo. The second top-rated nightlight on our list is the Little Hippo Wispy Night Light. It comes in 7 different soft colors, changing your baby's favorite hues. So the nighttime feeding and diaper changing activities will be easier for mom and dad. It is easy to carry and handle and includes 6 variant buttons for perfect use. The humidifier button allows you to choose the 3 levels. The glow-in-the-dark button will help you make adjustments at night. Its power button will let you turn on and off the function. Once the humidity level is reached, WISP automatically shuts off the function help of the auto technology. The significant advantage of this cute night light is that you do not need to clean it frequently because the oil tray will let you pour the oil and spread the scents. Without any distractions, it drives away the brightness for over 12 hours. It is straightforward, and the round tank and easy to grip make refilling and cleaning effortless. If the water level is low, it alerts you with an LED light and can accommodate 1.6 L of water. The Wispy makes the perfect gifts for baby showers and birthday parties, even you can get this one for the aesthetic bedroom. At number 3. Skip Hop. Skip Hop Children's Night Light is the best innovative and elegant owl design light. This owl will soothe the baby the entire night without getting tired. It is a portable design, so the owl will be the best companion for the baby when traveling or taking a nap in the stroller. The Skip Hop Soother includes a calm tone, nature songs, and soft light options. Using the 3 soother options, the baby can quickly calm the baby. The 3 options are Moonlight and Amp, Melody's Nightlight Soother Owl, Moonlight and Amp, Melody's Nightlight Soother Elephant, Stroll and Amp, Go Portable Baby Soother. Once you turn on the light, its cute belly flashes the cute lights. Like Lumipets, it also comes with an auto turn-off function. To do this, just set the timer as 60, 30, or 15 minutes. Once the time is reached, it will automatically shut off the function. You can adjust the noise level per your needs using the voice control option. One of my favorite options for this night owl light is it creates the moon and sky on the wall by adjusting the pivot lens, which will excite the baby and entertain the kids when they get bored. At number 2. LitteHippo. Little Hippo is not only the night light but is also the best alarm clock for a toddler. Are you get tired of soothing and waking up the child? If yes, the Little Hippo will reduce your headache with its innovative features, and it comes with 6 different night light colors. Their facial expression and the soft light guide the children to when are wake-up time and bedtime. At wake-up time, it glows a green color with a smile reaction, and at bedtime, it glows pink color with a sleepy expression, and it yellows with a play expression indicating the child is playing silently. It includes 3 gentle sounds and 5 lights to soothe the baby, and 3 cute alarm sounds for toddlers to wake up. The back of the nightlight includes all of their control options, like child lock functions, settings buttons, and so on. With the help of the brightness button, you can adjust the 3 different brightness levels. This toddler's nightlight is made of child-safe ABS and silicone, and you do not worry about its quality. The timer will help you set the nap time and other activities. At number 1. Summer Infant. Get Summer Infant Nightlight and make comfortable and pleasant bedtime every day. Some babies will sleep only when they hear lullabies. If you're kids, in that case, the Summer Infant Elephant Nightlight is the right choice because it includes 5 nature sounds to soothe a baby. Select the excellent color that will show a beautiful sky scene on the ceilings or walls. This elephant night light is composed of soft fabric so that it always be the best companion during travel time, bedtime or playtime. It also has shut-off functions with 15, 30, and 45 minutes. So you don't need to get off the bed during sleeping to turn off the light. Once that time is reached, the nightlight will suddenly turn off. This elephant buddy also has voice control that allows you to adjust the volume level. You can find the on-off button next to the battery door at the bottom of the unit. To turn off the light, switch the button off when not in use to store the charge. This elephant is also the best cuddle friend for babies when taking naps during the daytime. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products